Chris, you already know what it is. Welcome to Mellow TV. And in today's video, we are doing another Cooking with Mellow. Cooking with Mellow. Cooking with Mellow. So, we are doing another Cooking with Mellow video. And today, we are going to be cooking creamy Tuscan chicken. So, I found this meal on TikTok. Of course, a lot of my meals that I make I find on TikTok, or my mom has made it before, and I feel like she probably made this before, but I'm not 100% sure. Anyway, I found this meal on TikTok and I was like, it looks good. Let's make it for dinner since it's my day to cook, so why not? So we're gonna be making creamy Tuscan chicken with rice, white rice, and some biscuits. And yeah, that's the meal plan for tonight. But before we get to cooking, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that like button, because you already know you're gonna like the video, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed to my channel already, and turn on your post notifications because we are posting every single Monday. And yeah, let's get to cooking. As y'all can see, I have all my ingredients right here for what I'm gonna need. Got my rice, I got my Parmesan cheese, minced garlic, spinach, tomatoes, heavy whipping cream, butter, chicken broth, lemon juice, and then my seasonings. My seasonings all right here. And then I have my chicken already thawed out and washed already. So all we gotta do is start on seasoning the chicken. So let's go do that first. Now my chicken is seasoned. It is time to go ahead and put this in a pan. As you can see, it's what we looking like. Okay. We're gonna do 2 pans. Look at that chicken. Seasoned perfectly. Go ahead. Turn that on. There's a little olive oil. That. This fire works a little like lower than this one does, but it's already starting to cook right now. Getting that all ready. Just got it top. Oh, the oil. hate when the oil pops me. That's fine. I don't think I added enough oil to this pan, but hopefully it's okay. Alright, so when it comes to making rice, I like to be very accurate with the water, how much water I need and how much rice I need. So yes, I am using a measuring cup. Okay, I need 3 cups of water. What we're gonna do, instead of 3, we're gonna do 4 cups of water, 4 cups of rice. That makes sense. Or no, we'll just stick to the 3 and 3 for now. Alright, got my tomatoes all cut. Oh shit. Babe, close the door. Babe, close the door, please. Background. Say hello to the Cooking with Mello video, Daddy.
Oh, Cooking with Mello. What's
Cooking
up,
with
y'all?
Mello.
What's up? What up,
So
though?
let me tell you what I'm cooking, Father. All right. I am cooking some creamy Tuscan chicken with over some white rice and some butter biscuits, buttermilk biscuits, and
Buttermilk biscuits.
biscuits. Then look at the chicken, y'all. Just look at the chicken. Just look at it before it gets in the sauce. It looks good, seasoned, cooked to perfection. A little bit of, crisp and burntness on there, but, that's how I like it. That's how we like it. And yes, that looks great. Over here, I did another round of rice because I am feeding 8 people. So I definitely had to go in with another round of rice. But it's now time to make this creamy Tuscan sauce. Go in with some garlic. I'm gonna pour this little bit of lemon juice that I got left in there. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the heavy whipping cream. Put some spinach in there and our tomatoes. Go ahead and add some paprika, and a little bit more seasoning salt. Go ahead and add some Parmesan cheese. Yeah. I had area test try the sauce to make sure it was good. Make sure they need to know. And was it good? Mm-hmm. Thank ya. Thank. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Didn't mean to do. Looks great. Absolutely great. It is hot in here. So now I'm about to kind of clean up a bit and start plating the food. And then, you know, we're going to get everybody's reviews and test taste on camera and see how I did.
He be selling it, so.
Sure,
Look,
yeah.
And
I got an interview for one of the managers.
yeah, just like we will win the lottery, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Tomorrow,
We
my
never-
last draw.
It is.
Oh, we get
How many y'all buying?
Oh, it is?
We'll match.
the number that I bought, the ticket that I bought that played 9. We hit 2 and 16.
Y'all wanna buy 100?
So we get 3.
Alright, y'all. Alright, we are here with my family. I got my sister, my brother-in-law, my boyfriend here trying to food. Alright, so I am presenting to y'all creamy Tuscan chicken with Parmesan cheese over white rice and a buttermilk biscuit with a side of salad on, you know.
Probably eating that damn
It's,
salad.
no, you
Buttermilk
don't want the salad.
biscuits.
But y'all can go ahead and try it now.
Thank you, Jesus.
I found this meal on TikTok. Honest opinions, no bullshit, Christian Bailey.
Let me get some of the meat.
Let's try it like this. Hold on. This is.
That motherfucker will hit me.
That is good.
I ain't gonna lie. When I get back, that plate might not survive. It's so good.
I started with CJ. Give me a thought.
It's good. It's pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. It's good. But I'm thinking like,
Can I get a big one?
if it's like, damn, if the rice was like in the sauce, like if you made the sauce, like put it all like all together, then stir it up, then put the chicken on top, that shit bang, but it's still banging. But I got a tip for sure.
That's why I did creamy Tuscan chicken over the rice. Alright, 9 for 10. Give me
I just want a
the
little bit more thought.
Alright, give me
I give it a 10, but like-
It's gonna be just like a Mayo a little bit.
the rice over.
I don't know what I'm saying.
Yeah,
But
right.
it's good. It's good.
My bad. I think
I
it
didn't
was
want,
because of the
I
second
didn't want to
batch.
say it,
It's
but
a
Y'all don't
I'm mad as
understand.
hell.
This is the second time she's made country.
Be honest.
I said be honest. Dang.
Wait. This is actually really good. I'm not gonna lie. I like the sauce a lot.
Yeah,
I give it like a.
I didn't say rate it yet.
I like the sauce a lot. Rice is a little crunchy. Could use a little bit more of the sauce because it's really good though.
That's what I was saying, you know.
But it's good though. It's really good.
Alright, Ernie.
Fire. That's all I'm
Why? Babe.
This shit we get at nigga.
Alright, let me try it for myself before I...
Tendo breast. Look at that man, girl. Look at that grown man. What?
Go ahead
No,
and
that
rate
chicken
it.
is good.
Go ahead.
This is definitely a. I ain't gonna lie to you. This is a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
Babe?
A 10.
A 10? 9?
10.
Erin?
9.8.
Okay.
Because of crunchy rice.
Okay.
I thought we weren't doing this.
I'm sorry.
I said be honest.
I'm sorry, but the sauce makes the rice is crunchy. But I'm not gonna lie, the chicken and the sauce makes up for it.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah.
How you make a baby recline like it?
I think I didn't add enough. Oh shit. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this cooking with Mello video. Comment down below what you guys would rate this meal just off of
You so
look,
petty, man.
appearance, plating,
What
and
is wrong?
I think you guys should definitely try to make this yourself. And I would give it a 9.5 out of 10 just because some of the rice, since I did 2 batches of rice, some of the rice, I am talking and y'all talking over my damn outro. So make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. And you are now a Melly, and I shall see y'all in the next video. Thanks.
Whoever is looking at this,